Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix broken chat on Roblox application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to chat on your Roblox application or you are going through broken chat issue on Roblox, then here's how to fix the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, and once you are connected, go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store. Search for Roblox into the search box and check if there is any updates available for your Roblox application. Sometimes because you are using the outdated version of Roblox app, you might not be able to message on Roblox like you were supposed to. So in that case, always make sure to keep your application up to date. Once you update your application, go ahead and open up your Roblox app, go to the messaging option and try sending a chat to a friend. If that fixes the issue, then that's great for you. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to tap on the three dots at the bottom right hand corner from your main home page. From this page, scroll down and tap on the settings button. From the settings menu, tap on the privacy option. Go ahead and tap on the option where it says who can message me. Select either friends or everyone from the option. You can also go ahead and select the friends, users you follow and followers option. Go ahead and select any other option besides from no one. Once you make this change, you might be able to solve your chat issue on Roblox. The next thing to do is to tap open settings. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Select iPhone storage option from the General tab. And now search for Roblox from the app list. Once you find the app, give it a tap and tap on Offload App option. Select Offload App from the bottom menu, and once you do that, reinstall the app back again by choosing the Reinstall App option. Now all you need to do is to wait for your Roblox application to be reinstalled, and once it is completed, go and open up the app and see if that fixes your chat issue. That was how you can easily fix broken chat issue on Roblox app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.